Welcome to Poly 101 American Government. Hey folks, my name is Greg Sember and I will be working with you with Poly 101 American Government. This course is technically termed as structured remote teaching because we will not be meeting in a traditional classroom, but we will be working online in a Zoom classroom, and I redesigned my Blackboard materials to hopefully ease this transition. Over the course of fall semester, my goal is to get you talking about issues in American government. This will include topics like citizenship, the Constitution, civil rights, elections, and the branches of government, among others. If I'm doing my job right, and you are doing yours as well, this will be more of a discussion course than a lecture course. If it becomes a lecture course, then there will be some additional discussion board writing assignments. Please, let's not have those. To get started in the course, first, read all of the Start Here module, especially focusing on the syllabus, the typical week in Poly 101, the Netiquette guidelines, and the Blackboard IT Help Desk links. Pay special attention to the syllabus. There is a great deal of important information here that you need to know. Second, practice navigating around the course site. To participate in this course, you must be comfortable with the following: sending an email to your instructor, submitting papers, assignments in Blackboard, completing discussion board posts, accessing assignment instructions in weekly modules, and completing time quizzes. Third, enter the Citizenship Learning module and begin the opening assignments. Now that you have a good idea of how to get started, I really look forward to working with you.